Yes, recording is started. Okay, so we created a special permission level and we assigned user number 91 that special permission level. Before that, we checked that user 91 has no permissions before that. So now user 91 has permission level 3. We just want to go to a browser and log in as user number 93. I'm just logging out this user 92 and I will log in. Sorry, user 91. Let me just reconfirm. Yeah, user number 91. User number 91, we want to log in as user number 91 to test the restricted view permission level 3. So I have logged out user, any user that was here. I close this tab and this one is not logged out. I will just log out of this one also. Sign out. Close all the browser windows. I have closed. Now I will log in again. Before that, let me just clear the history. Sorry, just give me a minute. How we can access the history in this one, maybe from here. Yeah, history, sorry. I want to clear browsing data. All browsing data. Okay, all browsing data is deleted. But these three are still here. Let me see how I can delete past hour. All times delete. Yeah. Now all the browsing data is deleted. This should be now just a new fresh window. And I go to office.com. I want to log in as user 91. Let me just reconfirm once again. User 91, restricted view permission level 3. User 91 at just check once again if everything is fine. User 91 at COMP3121z.onmicrosoft.com. Yes. I want to log in with this user to try our custom permission level. Next, we'll ask for the password. Okay, now we go to the folder that we want to try especially. I want to try this folder, and in the folder I can copy link or I can click this share. I would like to go back once again and then come back to make sure that I'm on the right folder that I want to try. This link, go to my new page. Here I'm logged in as user 91. I hope so when I use another tab, but still it will use the same username. I will make sure. I want to try to go to this document library and it's user 91. It's good. So this document library, our system has allowed us to come into this library as user 91. But what I can do with these documents, click on this one. Document created by user 94, he can view it, open, share, follow, or get a link, view in browser, properties, advanced, share with, follow, library settings, anywhere I don't see download. See, the important thing is user 91 does not have even the right to download this document. He can only view this document. He can open, view in the browser. Let's see if he views in the browser, what happens. This is, see, viewing. I click on this one and click on browsing. He cannot edit. See, the edit is disabled. Okay, viewing, he can view only. If I try to click here and enter something, I'm not able to. It says read only mode, and it does not allow to edit. Okay, on the top of that, he is not also able to download it. Interesting, because we have created a special permission level especially for this requirement. So I'm closing this one, this document, and this document also. Let's try this document on this menu. We can see the document, we can click on the document, we can follow, we can share, we can open, but we cannot download. View in browser, advanced, shared with, follow, libraries, settings, send to for signature, agreements read. Nowhere we see the download. Okay, so this was a special requirement that we want to achieve, and this is possible. All the menu levels, there is nowhere the download. I just take a picture. I believe we will need this picture, but anyway, I'm creating this picture and see later if we need this one. Give me a minute. Control C. I just go to PowerPoint slides. We were trying a special permission level. We have created the level, then we gave that permission level to a user. Ours was user number 91. We have created and we have added that for rights. A new permission level is created. We want to see a new permission level created also, picture. And this is another example. And here we have an empty space for the sample, another sample also. That still it is possible. I go to my site and permission levels, and here we see, if we go to permission levels, we can see a special permission level created here. We can take the picture of this page, then later we can take the picture of other page if we need again. Here, this is the newly created level, and this is my name here that shows that I have created this level. Control C, Control V, this is my username. And the title is picture number 5. 5 or 6? 5. Picture number 5. Either we have this picture or this one, or a similar picture is this one, showing that we have created another level. A new permission level is created. So you want to show that. Then after that, we will test the permissions. Here user 105 was added, but I have added user number 91 into level 3. So I have now used user number 91. So then I have logged in as user number 91 and I have taken that URL and tried to reach over there, and user 91 was able to reach over there, and he was not able to download or edit the page. A similar picture like this I will show you, where we can confirm that the new user does not have a download link or edit link. That was in this window. Just take a picture once again. See, here we don't have any download link and my user is here. Oh, sorry. It's not very obvious from here, but see, yeah, see, no, not from here. But anyway, maybe this thing will clear a little bit that which user we have logged in with. In the picture, I'm not able to show you probably to you, but I can show you in the real window. See, his user number 91. Let me see if I can click on this menu now, but that user goes, that name goes away if I click on this menu. Okay, so I got the picture that I will save here. Here we don't see any download link, and edit link is also not there. I will send it to back. Actually, this is not necessarily your name, but the username that we want to use with username. So what we have done, we have created a custom permission level. Then we have assigned that permission level to one of the users. In this practice, user 91. And then we logged in as user 91 in another browser, and we tried to access that special folder. And in that special folder, we have documents, but user 91 is not able to edit and not able to download. He is just able to view it. That was our exercise for our picture number 6 that we have completed. User 105, in our case, user 91, has a special permission level So he can view the documents but cannot edit the documents and also cannot download the documents. Yep. And now the next, we will try access request settings. This is the next topic that we will test. Okay. Access request settings. How this will work, we will set up and manage access requests. We have a link also on our website. If we go to main permission levels, see here access request settings. So we can click on this one, and there are at least two groups. One group is the top two levels, top two lines, and then all these, the next level and next aspect, allow access requests. Select who will receive all access requests on this site. Site for V5 by Muhammad owner, or a special email. And the note is only members of the site owners group can accept or decline access requests. So we just try this aspect. We have tried actually already that if we send a request, how the owner can open his email and then he can accept the request, and then the user will have access to that folder. We have tested that already, and I will go through these pages. These are the summary of who gets the email when users request access. You guys can read it. And we have clicked on access request settings, and we have gone through this page, and we were trying, I have tried with user 99, but we can try with user 90. Now user 90. How we will try, I will just show you in a minute. That login as user 99 and or user 90 in this practice that we are going to perform right now. And what we will want to try first of all, that access requests, how they work. First of all, I want to go back. I just click escape. Escape is not working. Cancel. And I want to check permissions for user 90, user 90, user 90. Check now. He has no permissions now. So we close it and we try to log in as user 90. But essentially, we have completed that already. If we will have time, we can complete it once again. Otherwise, let me just go through rest of the slides that what we have next that we have not completed yet. So I will go back to slides 5. We have logged in already as a new user, and we have seen how the access request email works. Permission was denied, then a request was sent, then the user got the email, sorry, not the user, the owner of the site got the email, and then he was able to accept the request, and then he accepted, and the user was allowed. An access request was approved. How we can get this picture? Let me see. We can go to the email and see what happens, or we can perform this practice, this lab once again. This is MS email. Let me click on accept once again if it works. No pending request. Okay, we can create a pending request. Once again, we will log in as user 90 because we need to create a picture also for our assignment. So I'm going to log in as a new user, user number 90. Now I just use the same browser once again. I just close this window, and in the last window, I log out, sign out, and I will sign in once again. And see what happens if I don't clear the browsing history. Sign in with another account. I want to log in as user number 90. Next, password. Okay, now I try to access that special folder that we want to see. This is user number 90, and I want to go to this folder and I want to see if user number 90 is able to access this folder. Yes, as a user number 90, I want to access this folder. And he's not able to access it, but system says you need permission to access this site. I will send the message to the owner. I'm user 90. I would like to access, please. Request access. It is sent. So if we go to the email, owner's email, we will see if the request access is there already. Not yet. Yes, now it is there. Approve or decline. We can from here select reader or add it and approve. So which one we want to try? We just give him reader and approve. So this one also proves our an access request was approved. So how this works, we can take the picture of this page also, or we can take the picture of the next level when we click approve. Yeah, request approved. We can take the picture of this one. It's a little different picture, but it proves whatever we were doing. Request approved for user number 90. So I just take the picture and in the example, I save here. An access request was approved. So this is here completed. Now when we go back to our user number 90, either we can refresh it or we can try to go once again. No, it's not here, came here. Let's see if I have already. No, I don't have yet because I just Control A, Control C. Now I go back and try to access site once again. Yes, now system does not say me you need a permission. rather the folder is accessed already. Of course, it's only readable. If I want to see, I can see on the menu. See, you can download because readers can download also if we directly give the readers permission, preview, but he's not able to add it. We can confirm also, open in browser and try to click here somewhere. It's not clickable. It's clickable, but I want to press delete or anything else to write in this document, but it does not work. And here we don't see the option to add it. Okay, so I just close this document and see if we have completed the picture. This is picture number 7 that we have completed already. These pages we have accessed already, this folder, and he was included in the visitors group. Yeah, see, if we go back, if I go back to my account and in the permissions level, now I check user 90. Before I checked and he has no permissions. Now I go and check user 90 and he will have some permissions. User 90, check now. See, he had read permissions through the visitors group because when we were accepting his request, we clicked on read. So he is included in the visitors group now. So that is also confirmed. Before he has no permissions, in our case, user number 90. And this practice that I completed before was 98. And now this is next related topic. What I'm proving into that one, when we were here and we were checking access request settings, we have two more things also here that I want to try these two with you guys also. See what will happen if I clear this one. It says allow members to share the site and individual files and folders. Allow members to invite others to site members group. Site for this one, this site name. This setting must be enabled to let members share the site. I just remove both of these two. And see what happens now. Allow members to share the site and individual files and folders. Now, even they will be members, they should not be able to, if it's access request settings, they will not be able to allow share the site and individual files and folders. Choose who can request access or invite others to this site. Okay, now we can see members. Now members. Now we are talking about members. I click on OK first of all and see what happens. This is special lines now. Allow members to share with others without requiring owner's approval. See what it says? Tired of approving requests? Now they can only share with approval request, not directly as they were before. Okay, how we will test that? We can see any member of any user of the members group. User 101 and user 95 are members. I'm just noting on my notebook. So I remember user 101 and user 95. User 101 and 95 are members. Okay, so we will log in as user 95 or user 101 or we can add another new user into this group, members group, and see if he has not any permissions before, how it will behave when he is added into the members group. Let's try this way. Go back and see user 89. Now I'm trying user 89. User 89. Check permissions for user 89. He does not have any permissions. Okay. Now I add him into the members. So add users to this group. User 89 will be added into the members group. See, user 89. Okay, now I'll go back and I will close this window, and this last window I will log out this user, sign out, and I will log in back as 89. It's logged out. I sign in back again as user 90. No, sign in with another account, and another account is user 89. Now a member is logged in into the site. I want to go to specifically that page, that document folder that I want to test. How I will check that? Go to my site, take this URL and go back and try to access that URL with user 89. User 89, good. User 89, good. Okay, now he's able to, user 89 is able to reach here. See, now very interesting part starts. Here, see, first of all, I don't see any share link. Okay, let me just maximize this one. Maybe then we see. Now this is maximized, and I will go through once again. Before that, let me just quickly go and see. Recording is working, 33 minutes, and participants and mic sharing, everything is working fine. So let me just continue. Here we don't see share. For example, maybe we are able to see share here. No, we are not able to. Here? No. See, now they are not able to share. Why? Because we have disabled that option from there. From where? If we go to, I show you once again, we were on this page and we were here and access request settings, and here we have cleared these two. So they are not able to share now. So we see in our PowerPoint, sorry, in our slides that we see members are able to share or not. So we have cleared that setting, and now members were not able to do that. In this practice, I have used user 89 and are allowed to share if this is clicked. members are allowed to share, and we go and we log in one of those users, and then we go here and we see, we try to share with user. They were able to share, send the link to user 89. No problem comes because at that time they were able to share and the link was sent. And then we cleared and tried once again. In our case, we have now cleared and we are not able to share. I specifically click here, it is shared, this item was, and see details. I click here or I go from here and it is share. I click on share, see what happens. People with existing access can use the link. People only with existing access means this guy not able to give them access, but if they have already access, then they will be able to use this link. Okay, for example, user 88 will not have access. So let me try to share with him. See what happens. Name, group or email, user 88. Because we know user 88 does not have yet because we reached only up to user number 89. See, we tried to share with user 88. The recipient you entered does not have permission to access this item. Okay. So user 88 does not have its own permission. So this guy now, even he's a member, but he's not able to share. Maybe we need the picture of this page. Yes, I will create a picture. And where I will paste that picture, I know after a few pages, few slides, I will have a link. Okay, the practice is, the exercise is that we clear and unclear these two options, and then we test if the members are able to share or if they are not able to share. I have cleared this, and now I have checked they are not able to share. So we will take a picture and here we will add the picture. First, the permission is denied and the document will be, the picture will be here. Now we'll go back and close this one because he was not able to share. And I am just to get the rights once again, I'm just going to close this page and this one log out. I will use again the user 89, but I just want to re-log in so he gets the new permissions. And I'm going back to my controlling site. And here I check once again these two both permissions and I click OK. And I will recheck once again that if it is, yeah, it is now clicked. That what is the item? Allow members to share the site and individual files and folders. Okay. Allow the members to share the site and individual files and folders. I go back, log in as 89 once again. Sorry, this is signed out actually. Now this is sign in once again. I want to log in once again by user 89 because this 89 is now a member. We have not changed his status, but we have checked that members can share site and individual files and folders. Password is already saved in here. So now user 89. And I would like to go to the special folder that we are testing with permissions. Here I will copy the link to reach to this folder, and I will go back and paste it here. Now I'm able to go back to after login once again. User 89, it's good that we have confirmed. Now he has these two documents. Let's see what happens now if everything works fine. If everything is propagated in the SharePoint servers, now we go here, we click on share once again. We reach to this same. People in company one with the link can edit. See, this is also changed. The message was before the people who have already the permissions. Now the message is people in company one with the link can edit. Now this guy can give them rights even before they don't have they don't have rights, but they just has to be the of course the users of the company. Okay, now I try to share with same user 88. See, now the system is not saying anything that the 88 does not have. Of course, 88 does not have the rights already. So now this member will be able to give him the permission from his side to access this document. We click send and see if the email goes. Yes, link to document was sent. We will take the picture of this page. And now we know that permission is allowed. On the same page, we add this one also. Sorry, this was the first one and this was the second one. Anyway, both pictures are showing their own purpose. Here the access is denied from same user to same user. Means from user number, which one we were logged in. I will show you. We have logged in picture we have taken already. User number 89 is trying to give the permission to user number 88. So in the first case, the permission was not allowed, but in the second case, the permission was allowed. Both pictures are here. This shows permission was not allowed. This shows permission was allowed. Sharing was denied and then allowed for the same user. It is proved here. Okay, so we have tried that aspects of the SharePoint. Now the next topic was link to the share document was sent. Yes, it was sent, and he has limited access permission now. Yes, the interesting thing is if we see, because he just have given him the permission for that document, but system has allowed him a level of permission. We have given that to user number 88. So we will see what happens if we go back to our main site and test the permissions for user number 88. Check permissions. User 88. Now he has only limited access, but he has some permissions. Means he can access that document. Before, I have not reconfirmed, I have not checked before, but as I have checked many times with you guys, that before these users, they did not have any permissions. Okay, now we can close this one and we can see what next exercise we are doing. We have only a few minutes remaining, but I hope so this time I will be able to complete more pages. This is page number 8, so we need only with complete 2 more pages. I'll go quickly and see what is there that we want to complete. We want to see in site settings, site columns. into site settings, site columns. We want to create a new column, I believe, edit column or add column, create column, and we will take a picture of that. Yes. How this works, we go to site settings once again. From here, I close this one, and from this one also, from here I go once again to my site, and we go to site contents, and then appears the site settings. We go from here, site permissions, we can go from here also, and we can go to site settings, advanced permission setting. No, I don't think so. No, not this one. Let me just go to site contents, close this one, and here we go to site contents and site settings. Yeah, this one, site settings. Whole page of settings is here. We want to try site columns. Here we have many columns. We just want to create a new column. Want to see how it works. Create the new column. We click on create new, and we add any column that we like. Custom column 1, single line text, and existing group custom columns, and description the same, whatever we like to. And these are little more properties. It will contain text only, and can contain some formatting, and it can contain some validations also, but we don't need these things right now. So we just click and see if our column, custom column 1, is created. Let me just give it more name, more explanatory name, so then we know that yes, this is the column that we have created. Custom column for week 5. Okay, now I will click on the OK, and we will see in custom columns, group custom columns, custom column for week 5 is created, and we want to take a picture of this one to show that we have created a custom column. And here will be your name. Control V and send it to back. Here's your name. A new column is added into the site columns here. Okay, so this is picture number 9. Students, please stay with me just a couple of more minutes, and we will be able to complete all the 10 pictures. And let me just show you what is the next topic. Site content types. We will go to site content types. We have already created a column. We can go back. Site settings, site content types. Site content types have a lot of the information in it. These are all the site content types. We can create more content types also. We see what we want to do, and then we will do that accordingly. We have reached to site contents. We start from here, we reach to here, and we create a new content type, just a type that I'm trying to create is a pure text document. Let's see just another type, content type that we want to create. Okay, how we perform that? Here is create content type. Enter a name. Maybe if it's already there, it will ask us to give a different name. Pure text document. It doesn't say me anything. Maybe it's not there already, or it can handle the same names. Okay, to make it clear, I just write week 5 with it. Use existing category, custom content types. I will use document content types because I want to make it a document. Parent content type. Parent content type is which one? Choose the content type that you want to base this type. Document content type. Content type basic page. Document. And create. And a new content type is created. I can take the picture of this one or go a little back and then take another picture to show that this is created. We can add the site columns also. So right now it's only name and title. So I can add site columns also. There we will have more columns, but it's okay. The type is created. And then I will just take the picture. I see that what is the requirement next, just to show the creation. I believe we can show that. There are different, and which one is the picture number 10? I just want to see. Oh, the picture number 10 is a different topic actually. Getting started feature is activated. Okay, I will show you that one also. This is our picture number 10. So right now we don't need to take any picture of this step. Here we don't need to take picture. It's okay. And we can just go back to see our site settings. Site settings, we are on this page, and just one more topic, students. Please stay with me a couple of more minutes and we will be able to complete our picture number 10 also. What we are going to do next, site settings, RRS, no, that we also don't take. Site feature, site settings, site feature. Just add one feature, enable one feature, and we will take a picture. Site features. Manage site features. Click on this one. And here we have many features. Of course, we cannot try all of them. We have limited time. You guys can try them yourself. These are good. And many of those were not activated before. I just clicked them and activated. And you guys can also try yourself, because on your settings, they all will not be activated. See, all these I have activated. So just any of those that is not before activated, I will activate, you guys will activate and show me a picture. Which one? Here I am just showing you. This is the first one and the easiest one. Following contents. Following content. How we go that? Go there. It will be here. Following content. Activate. You just click on the activate and then it will be activated. And we just take a picture of this one. New picture. And this one is activate. Go there and getting started feature. This is another one. Sorry. You just write whichever feature you have activated. And here I can write the picture because time is finishing, already finished. So I'm trying to complete quickly. Basically, any one feature that you are able to activate, just activate and see here, say here that this feature is activated. This is your name. I will write picture number 10, any name, right? I'm activating here following content. You can write the name of your feature. Following content feature activated from site settings. Okay. And we just save this one and our picture number 10 is completed. Students, I will upload this file also once again with a new extension. This is 5B05B and I will upload it as 05C and you guys will find it after maybe a couple of hours along with the uh, recording for the class. I just see how long recording is now possible. It's 56 minutes, not bad. And participants, some only just Hassan is here, but it's okay. The students who have no time to complete right now, they can see the videos. Only 5 minutes more than 10 o'clock. Hardly, it's now 6 minutes more than 10 o'clock. So you guys can go through the videos that I will upload and then you guys just have last two pictures. Maybe I have completed in last 6 minutes or 10 minutes. So all the rest, we have completed everything with the class this time. So you guys then complete all the 10 pictures, complete your assignment file for the week number 5 for this week. And then the folder is there where you will upload the uh, assignment for this week and you will be good to go. I have written over there the points that if you follow, you will get the full marks. You can get full marks easily if you follow all the points. I will show you the points just quickly so you guys are easy. Let me show you here. Uh, not this window, but not this window, sorry. I have a couple of windows. I will minimize all of them and I will reach to the window where I want to show you. This is our, see the week number 5, 8 February. Sign in error, need to sign in once again. Okay, I just go back. It's not going down. Okay, I close this one. And then I try once again. I think so now it will work. Okay, yes. So courses, click on this course and this is for the assignment and see these are the points that please follow these points and you can get the full marks. And thank you very much. I will stop the recording and the meeting for today will be completed. You will see I will upload the video files to YouTube and the link will be here. Then you can see the videos, especially for the last part, you will need just 10-20 minutes. If you are with me in the class, if you are not in the class, then you can see the complete videos and you can study also the updated PowerPoint slide file and you can complete your assignment for week number 5. Thank you very much and have a good week and we'll see in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.